Hello! So we're back with another quick recipe called mayo chicken. What is mayo chicken? Mayo chicken is a very simple recipe. You need a chicken breast, mayo, Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic, and optional, what I do, I put in thyme. And basically all you're really doing is you're taking the chicken, you're cutting it, depending on the size, or if you got small enough chicken breasts. I have a big guy, so I'm going to split it in half. I'm going to pound that guy out, make it nice and even. You mix your mayo, you mix your Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, salt, pepper, garlic, thyme, mix it all the way around. And then all you do is you spread it on both sides. You throw it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes at 350. And that's it. That's mayo chicken. So let me take you guys over here, show you how I'm gonna get it all mixed up, and yeah. So hope you guys really like this recipe. All right, let's get going. First things first, let's get this chicken out of here. So you got all this nice, beautiful, wonderful chicken goo. Take this guy. Bam. I'll put that right in the sink and deal with that later. All right, since I got this nice big behemoth here, as you can see, big guy. I'm going to go in and split him right about there. Otherwise, if you got a big guy like this and you're trying to cook him, he's going to take longer. This way, you actually get 2 meals out of this guy. There you go. I'm going to put these guys in a little Ziploc bag, and I'm going to go ahead and beat them out. The reason why I'm doing that is basically so that way when I'm beating it and pounding out the chicken, I don't have to worry about chicken juice going everywhere in my kitchen. So we'll do that next. Put this in the sink. Guys out. All right. So now we begin the pounding sequence. Oh, I'm gonna get too loud. Alright, so that's good. We're going to put these guys off to the side right now. Let them stay in the package. And I'm going to switch out some gloves since I just got done touching some chicken. And then we're going to go ahead and get all of our stuff mixed together for our, basically, our mayonnaise rub on top of our chicken. So let me do that right now. Alright, mayonnaise rub, very easy. You can get yourself some, any type of mayonnaise you want. Fortunately, we just got a brand new guy of Heinz real mayonnaise. So I'm going to take a spoonful. Do a couple spoonfuls in here. Because it all depends on the size of your chicken or how you want to coat it. I'm going to be coating both the bottom and top of it. So let's go ahead. I think this should be one more spoonful. So this should be about it right here. Close this guy back up, slam off to the side. Next is some salt. A couple pinches. Like I said, it all depends on how much mix you make. So here's some black pepper. Got some garlic coming in next. And then I always like adding a little bit of thyme. I just love the smell of thyme. Okay, next thing you know, we go ahead and we add our fresh Parmesan. Now I got shredded. You could use grated if you want, but not that bad. Getting some fresh shredded Parmesan. Go ahead and start mixing that up right now. Add a little bit of breadcrumbs. Now, I'm not going to pour it in like I did the Parmesan, so I got an additional spoon. I'm going to spoon it in. So that's about 4 spoonfuls right now. Let's see how it looks after I mix it around. Oop. What you're doing is basically just adding like a little bit of breading and stuff like that to it. I think that's it. About 4. For this much, what I have, the mayonnaise and Parmesan, about 4 spoonfuls of the breading is nice. It's going to mix in nice and well, nice and good. Okay, that should be about it right there. So let me go ahead and clean this up real fast. Close these containers off. Our roaster out that we're going to go ahead and use. I use this mostly because when I put the Parmesan and all that, there are some oil that's going to rub off, you know, drip off with the mayonnaise and everything. This way it goes somewhere and it's not swimming in your sheet pan. So it gets rid of the excess grease basically. So here we go. Get the first chicken out here. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it on its downside right here. We're going to spread all this stuff on. Okay, we're back, guys. So I made more of a spread, hit it up real fast. So now we're going to shoot this in the oven at 350 for about 25 to 30 minutes because these are big guys. So we're going to wait for that. We're going to see how they work and make sure that we don't overcook them. And after that, I'm going to come back here and show you guys what side dishes I'm making with this. So, yeah. All right. Come on. Let's get you in the oven now. My side dishes for this is going to be very simple. I got me some broccoli. I've already go ahead and washed off the heads. Give it a nice good rinse. And some good old-fashioned noodles. The water on the stove is already warming up to a boil, so I can get those going. So we're going to go ahead and get these guys trimmed off, get them into the steam catcher here, and we're going to get that going. So, yay! So that's all done. Got them all trimmed off the main feed here. So I'm going to go ahead and put the cap on. I already got water down there below. We're going to get this nice and steamed. So when the chicken gets done, the noodles should be done and the broccoli should be nice and steamed. So that's what we're going to have for today for a meal. And then we'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks all up in a plate. And yeah, so can't wait. So we have on the countertop here of the stove, the stove top, we got water going, which I'm about to add the noodles. Luckily, egg noodles only take like 2 minutes. We got the broccoli slowly steaming. It's on low flame. And then we come down here to the chicken, which is starting to bake over. Looking really good. And there it is, guys. The finished product. Mayo chicken with some broccoli and some noodles. Tenderest chicken you'll ever eat. Yep. So, You'd be surprised by the taste of this. Hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to go ahead and tear into this bad boy. So, had to change my shirt. And moving the chicken to the plate, a couple got on me, so I had to change it. Hope you guys like that recipe of mayo chicken. Very simple, very easy to work with. Very easy to pair with baked potato, mashed potatoes, scallions, noodles, whatever you want to do it. Yeah, so I'll make sure I put everything in the description below. How to make it, all the ingredients. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you on our next home cooking adventure. Bye.